All right, let's talk about something that is quietly changing the entire game for AI. It's the tech that turns AI from a kind of know-it-all into a real, genuine expert. We're talking about Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. You can think of it as the AI's external brain.
But before we get into that, let's start with a problem I'm pretty sure we've all run into. You ask one of these super powerful AIs a question, and it spits out this answer that sounds so confident, so well written, but it's just completely wrong. It's what we call a hallucination. So why on earth does that happen? And more importantly, what can we do to fix it?
Okay, so here's how we're going to break this down. First, we'll look at the AI's big problem. Then, we'll introduce RAG as the solution. We'll dive into how it actually works, check out some real-world examples, peek into the future, and then wrap it all up with the one key thing you should walk away with.
All right, let's jump right in. Section 1, the AI's big problem, or as I like to call it, understanding the flaws of a genius.
So your standard large language model, an LLM, it's got three major blind spots. First, like we just talked about, it can hallucinate. It just invents things. Second, its knowledge is totally stuck in the past. It has a knowledge cutoff date, which means it has no idea what happened yesterday, let alone last month. And third, it's completely cut off from your private data. It can't see your company's internal documents, your personal notes, or any real-time information. The best analogy for this is a brilliant student taking a really tough closed-book exam. They can only use what they've already memorized. That's it. They can't look up a fact, they can't double-check their sources, and they definitely can't bring in any cheat sheets.
And that brings us perfectly to Section 2, introducing RAG, the solution. Because this is how we give that brilliant AI an open book exam.
So what exactly is RAG? Well, the formal definition is that it's an AI framework that connects a language model to outside, up-to-date information before it even starts to generate a response. But put simply, it lets the AI look up the answer first. It finds the relevant facts from a trusted source, and then it writes its reply based on that evidence. And this comparison really spells out the difference, doesn't it? A traditional LLM is just answering from memory. But an LLM with RAG, it's answering from evidence. You go from static, old knowledge to real-time data. And this is huge. It stops being a black box. With RAG, you can actually see the sources the AI used to come up with its answer. That makes it auditable, explainable, and just so much more trustworthy. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Section 3, how RAG actually works. Time for a little peek inside the engine room. So it all boils down to a 5-step process. First up is ingestion. This is where you take all your external documents and just break them down into smaller, manageable chunks. Next, step 2 is embedding. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Each one of those text chunks gets converted into a string of numbers, a vector. Think of it like a unique digital fingerprint for the meaning of that text. Then comes step 3, retrieval. When you ask a question, the system searches for the text chunks whose fingerprints are the closest match to your question's fingerprint. Step 4 is augmentation. The system takes those relevant chunks it just found and adds them right into your original prompt. And finally, step 5, generation. The LLM now has your question plus all this rich, factual context, and it uses that to generate an answer that's actually grounded in real data. And to make all that work, you've got a few key players on the team. You have the LLM, that's the brain of the operation, generating the final answer. You've got the embedding model, which is like the expert translator, turning text into those numerical vectors. The vector database is like a specialized, super fast library designed specifically to store and search for those vectors. The retriever? That's the master librarian who knows exactly how to find the right information fast. And finally, the prompt template is the set of instructions that neatly combines your question with all the facts the retriever found. All right, that's the how. Now for section 4, RAG in the real world. This is where we answer the big question. So what? Why does any of this technical stuff actually matter? Well, the applications are pretty amazing, actually. Think about enterprise search. Instead of digging through endless folders, you can just ask, what's our company policy on parental leave, and get a direct answer. Or for customer support chatbots, they can give answers based on the very latest product info, not some manual from 2 years ago. We're also seeing it used to build these incredible assistants for professionals, like doctors or lawyers, giving them instant access to huge specialized knowledge bases. And hey, even on a personal level, you can create your own private AI assistant that can search through all your notes and files, totally securely. So when you boil it all down, RAG gives us 3 game-changing benefits. 1, it massively cuts down on those crazy hallucinations. 2, it boosts trust and accuracy because you know the answers are based on actual evidence. And 3, it lets you securely use your own private and real-time data, which finally makes AI truly useful for real-world specific problems.
But believe it or not, the story doesn't stop there. Let's look to the future in Section 5. The future is agentic. This is where RAG really starts to think for itself. And the jump here is pretty huge. Simple RAG follows a fixed two-step process. Find the info, then write the answer. That's it. But agentic RAG, it's way more dynamic. It can plan out a multi-step process. It can pause and reflect on whether it's on the right track. It can even use multiple different tools and data sources. We're talking about the difference between a basic calculator and a skilled human research assistant. Yeah, think of it just like that, an expert research assistant. It doesn't just do one quick search and call it a day. It strategically decides when it needs to search for information, what kind of information it should look for, and this is the really cool part. If the first batch of results isn't good enough, it can decide to change its question and search again, all by itself. Okay, that brings us to our final section, and honestly, the most important one, your key takeaway. If you only remember one thing from all of this, let it be about building AI we can actually trust.
So here it is, the core idea. RAG is the absolute backbone of any serious production-grade AI system that has to provide accurate answers based on real data. It's what takes AI from a cool toy to a reliable tool you can use for important, real-world work.